How to secure a canopy in high winds. Art and craft fairs, street fairs, markets, and other outdoor events occur throughout the year. Those who sell their wares at these retail events must be prepared for wind, rain, hot sun, and whatever else the elements can deliver. Exposure need not be a problem for a vendor, though. Appropriately anchored and weighted canopies can withstand strong winds, just as a peaked roof prevents rain problems and white tarps provide protection from the sun. Things you'll need: tent stakes, heavy rope, bungee cords, coffee cans, buckets, PVC pipes, concrete, mesh sidewalls. Anchor or weigh down the canopy. Twist and push tent stakes into the ground. Use at least 4, positioned at the 4 corners of the canopy. Use either bungee cords or thick, strong rope to secure the canopy to the tent stakes. Throw one end of the rope over the horizontal bar that is the edge of the roof. Do this at the corner. Twist some rope around the leg of the canopy to help anchor it. Thread one end of rope through the tent stake, pull up, and tie the rope with a triple knot. Repeat these steps at the other 3 corners of the canopy. Pour concrete into 4 coffee cans. Place the bottom of each of the 4 canopy legs into the concrete. Wait to dry. You now have 4 heavier canopy legs that will stand up to wind. Alternatively, pour concrete into 4 buckets with handles. Do not place legs in buckets. Allow the concrete to dry. Attach a rope to the canopy roof the same way as with the tent stakes. Instead of tying the rope through the tent stake, tie it around the handles of the buckets. Pour concrete into PVC pipes for a third option. Allow it to dry. After setting the canopy up, attach heavy PVC pipes to the canopy legs with small bungee cords. Use windscreen sidewalls instead of tarp sidewalls. Windscreen sidewalls are made of mesh, come in different colors, and are relatively opaque.